Hi, it's Trisha Rockwell from awakeninintolife.com. And one of the special things that I do every year with my family is, for my birthday, we go on an annual canoe or kayak trip down the creek. And we have so much fun together. And it's, the kids are so used to having their computer games and the TV, that it's so great to get them away from it all and to see what happens to all of us as a family as we go out and really immerse ourselves in nature and see what happens after a couple of hours being together. And before we know it, songs are being sung and there's some fighting too, or bickering between the kids. But it's really a great time, and I think it's such a great tradition to get into, like for your birthday, to just either yourself go out for a solitude time in nature, or go with your family or friends. It's such a neat idea. Or even the holidays. I have a friend, Jean Marie, who goes for a New Year's Day hike every year in the snow. And they climb the mountain in the snow and spend the day together. And I love that. I think it's such a great idea. And I'm going to try to start doing more of that. So here is our adventure on the creek. I never understand why everybody is so excited about the special effects and magical things in the movies. We have so much magic around us, right outside in nature all the time. The sun is out. Don't get out of the car. I got it. It's fun. We're almost done. I wish we had longer. What are you learning, guys?
We haven't learned anything, really. Don't go to the bathroom outside.
Oh, why not?
Grody.
Did you do it?
No, ew.
Okay.